Hello students, grade 6 mathematics chapter number 9 data handling.
Okay, students, happy morning. Let's we start from the introduction of data handling. Data means a collection of numbers gathered to give some information. Now, you see here, say for example, student attendance list we can consider as a data. Number 2, grade 6 students weight we can also consider as data. Grade 9 students height consider as a data. Number of COVID patients of Navsari districts. Blood group of grade 1 to 8 students of Esther Global School, etc. So, in above data, we use number, alphabet, sign, symbol, combination of alphabet and numbers, etc. So here we can organizing the data by three ways. Number one, prepare a table using telemark shine. Second, pictograph. And third one, bar graph. Okay, look students, page number 186. You have to open your book, right? NCERT. Example number 1. A teacher wants to know the choice of food of each student as a part of midday meal program. The teacher assigns the task of collecting this information to Maria. Maria does so using a paper and a pencil. After arranging the choices in a column, she puts against a choice of food as per here. You see, number 1, marks for every student making that choice. You see here, say rice only, he just making the standing line. Chapati also making some standing line. Both rice and chapati also making some standing line. Now you see here, these are the datas, right? Now she starts to arrange. So whatever the choice is there, he prepared 3 columns. Here we are counting the data organizing by first method, that is using telemarks to prepare a table. So first of all, as per our table, rice only. So that can be organized by like this way. So total 17 standing line is there. So he just first of all make a part of 10, that is represented by circle, oval shape, and 7, remaining 7 lines, right? Chapati again it is total 13, so 10 and 3 standing line grouped together. Both rice and chapati it is total 20, so 10 and 10. Okay. Now rice only it is total 17, right? So make a part of 5 5. So total 17, so 5 3s are 15, so each part having 5 standing telemark sign. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 and 2. Chapati only, that is total 13, so 5 and 3, and both rice and chapati total 20, so 5 4s are 20, divided into 4 parts. And finally prepares here a table that is representing with telemark sign. So 5 part means 1, 2, 3, 4 standing line and 1 is slanting line, and makes a 5-5 group like this way. So this is representation of telemarks. So 5, 5 and 5. So it is easy for us to calculate. So total 17. Chapati having 5 and 5 and 3. So 5 plus 5 10 and 3 13. Both rice and chapati, it is 4 part of group 5, right? So 5 5 5, that is 20. So like this way you can prepare this type of data by using telemark. Okay, so now this is the procedure, right, step by step that I have explained, but we write the table using this telemark sign by the following method. See example number 2. So first of all, students, you look example number 2 and write down in your notebook. Ekta is asked to collect the data for size of shoes of students in her class 6. Her findings are recorded in the manner as shown below. So students, let's restart example number 2, page number 187, see in NCERT textbook. Here I have written the whole questions. Here some of the data is given, you see. So first of all you find out minimum observation. You see your minimum observation is, which are the minimum number? Here your minimum number is 4 and maximum number is 8. So first of all start the solution. Write down minimum observation 4, maximum observation 8, and prepare the table, that is shoe size is given, then telemark and number of students. So the minimum number is 4, so we start from 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Write that number. Okay. Now you see the this data. So first of all, which data is there? 5. So you have to do it. Cancel 5 and write down 1 telemark in 5 column. Like this way. Correct? Now then next is 4. So cancel 4 and write down 1 telemark sign in 4. So like this way. Similarly now the next number is 7. Next is 7. So put that standing line in 7. Like this way you can finish all. So here I put telemark sign by cancelling the data one by one. So it does not require for mistaken, right? So you have to put the telemarks like this way and then count total telemarks in. When the shoe size is 4, total how many it is there? 5. So we put 5. In 5, 5 plus 3, that is 8. Then 10. Then 7. Then 2. Here we put total. Total how many? Count. 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 7, 20. Right? 8 plus 5, 13 plus 7, 20 plus 2, 22. Carry 1. Total is 32. So like this way you can prepare the table using telemark sign of this organizing data. Now students, I can ask the question in this table also. You look the table, I can ask the question. So how many total number of students having
4 size, that is 5. How many total number of students that you can observe more than 8 size? More than 8 size, no one, so 0. Now, how many number of students having size whose size is 8? So 2. When shoes size is 7, how many total number of students are there? 7. Okay, how many total number of shoes more than 5 size? So more than 5 means 6, 7 and 8. So 6 having 10 students, 7 size having 7 students and 8 size having 2 students. So total 19 students who has more than 5 size are there. Okay. So like this way I can ask any question using this table. Now exercise 9.1, question number 1, HW. Here you see in mathematics the following marks were obtained by 40 students. Arrange these marks in the table using tally marks, right? Like this way the question will come in exam. And here the data is also given, right? So you see 40 students, right? You see in mathematics the following marks were obtained by 40 students. Yani when you finish the data, the total will be 40. तो ये आपका राइट है. नीचे टोटल जो हमने किया ना, जैसे अगले सम में हमने जैसे किया, here the total is 32. Here your total what will come? 40. It is given 40. तो 40 आना चाहिए. If the 40 will not come, means you have any problem, your mistaken is there. So find out the mistakes and do again, right? Now similarly, you can organize this question number 2 data by the same method, but here the following the choices of sweet 30 students of class 6. Here the 30 students choices are given. So choices are different sweets are there, where laddu is there, barfi is there, jalebi is there, rasgulla is there. So you have to prepare the table. So first of all you prepare the table that in first column you write down sweet, then tally marks and total number of students. So your answer will be total number of students. How many total? 30. So 30 students, they distribute the sweets among the given, right? So first of all you have to write down how many different type of sweets are there. So in first column you write down laddu, then barfi, then jalebi is there and rasgulla. 1, 2, 3, 4 items will be there, right? So 4 items they have to distribute in a way using tally mark sign. So you can also count this question number 2 by yourself. Then question number 3 is there, where Catherine threw a dice 40 times and noted the number of appearing each time as shown below. So this question number 3 is also do the same way and answer the following questions. Make the table and enter the data using tally marks. Find the number that appeared. Okay, so till here we stop our session today's. Have a nice day. Thank you.